Alright guys, this place gets so much hot that it starts having a direct impact on my brain, and today I have just lost it because today we have with us a washing machine in a fully working condition, which means that this is completely alright. We have just made a few changes in this. We have removed the timer that is there on the machine, so the idea is that we will simply run this washing machine on full speed, and then in already running washing machine we will throw this stone, guys. That's right guys, we will throw in this heavy stone and then we shall see what happen, guys. We already have titanium in our blood. You please don't try to attempt any of this at home. Alright guys, so let's now start this washing machine. Alright guys, so now let's put the stone inside the machine and then let's see what happens.
Bro, shut it down. The cord is wrapping around it.
Alright guys, so I have never laughed so hard in my entire life. That was awesome, man. I really had so much fun. How much more mischief can you really get up to? I mean, what more can one possibly do? So guys, you can see that our fully working washing machine has now been reduced to junk. But what is the most amazing thing, that it is still working. We had to turn it off using the switch because they started going round and round, because of which our wires could have gotten cut, and maybe it's never a good idea to play around with electricity. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like it, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it. It's your own brother's channel. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'll meet you again in the next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.